Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21. Today I'm going to do something a bit different. On October the 27th, St. Vincent and the Grenadines is celebrating their independence, and today I want to try something new. So I'll be doing a challenge, and the challenge is called I Love SVG challenge. And what this challenge is, if you are in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, or you are in the diaspora, I would like for you to make a video and send that video to me on Instagram and list 5 things that you love the most about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. For the month of August and September, I did a lot of content celebrating the independence of Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago. I went into some of the rich history that Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago contributed to the Caribbean. So now, in October, St. Vincent celebrating their independence, and I know a lot of people outside of St. Vincent don't know a lot about the rich culture of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So my goal is for this video is for as much people as possible to make a video. It could be 1, it could be 2, up to 5 things that you love the most about the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So if you're living in St. Vincent, if you are in the diaspora, whether you're in Canada, America, and the UK, and you're from St. Vincent, feel free to share also what you love most about the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And if you have visited St. Vincent before, you're not from there, and you have visited St. Vincent, tell me what you enjoy the most about visiting St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I visited earlier this year, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines is one of my favorite places that I've visited so far. It's between St. Vincent and Cuba, my 2 favorite places that I've visited so far. And I'm going to list a lot of the things that I love about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I'm going to list some of the rich history about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. A lot of history that people don't really know much about, like in terms of the Garifuna people from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, about the rich culture with their botanical gardens, being one of the oldest botanical gardens this side of the world. And also, a lot of people don't know breadfruit. St. Vincent and the Grenadines was the first place in the Caribbean that breadfruit came. And I must say, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the best breadfruit that I've ever had. You can eat it by itself. You don't need codfish or anything to eat breadfruit in St. Vincent. Once you get the right breadfruit, it's amazing. So this is just some of the stuff that I'm going to be talking about this month, celebrating the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. All my Vincy people, leave your flag in the comment section if you're watching this and you're in the diaspora. If you're Vincy and you're living in Canada, just leave your Vincy flag, your Canadian flag. If you're living in the US flag, UK, same thing. So St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a special place to me. As I said, I visited this year, and it is such a breathtaking place to be. It just feels like this tranquility and this peace in St. Vincent. And my wife is from St. Vincent, and we were supposed to go to St. Vincent like 9-10 years ago. But, things happened, the pandemic. At the time, there was no straight flight, and coming out of Canada, it was like very difficult to get there. But now that the airport is there, and one of the things that I say to like anybody that would listen is that St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the hot spot of the Caribbean right now. I know over the years, many different islands have developed their tourism product from back 30, 40 years ago, Jamaica, then, Barbados, in recent time, we've seen like St. Lucia, we've seen Turks and Caicos, and St. Vincent to me is like the next place that a lot of people are going to want to visit, because now with the new airport, you have straight access to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You don't have to go to Trinidad anymore. You don't have to go to Barbados. You can fly from Toronto. You can fly from Miami. You can fly from New York. So I believe that St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the place to be. And what I like about St. Vincent is that it's not, I don't think it's going to be like that big tourist island, like all-inclusive resort. It's going to be more like ecotourism, like a smaller scale tourism, where you go and you get to mingle with the locals. You get to go to the waterfalls. You get to have a local experience, because not everyone like this all-inclusive experience where you come and you just stuck on a resort for your entire trip. Like, get into an island where there's easy access, where you get to go out and experience local cuisine. You get to experience the waterfalls in these local areas. You get to go to the volcano, local experience, not stuck in a resort. And I believe that this is what's going to set St. Vincent and the Grenadines apart from a lot of the other islands that have these all-inclusive tourism package and these whole cruise ship kind of environment. That St. Vincent is going to be like community type tourism. And that is amazing, because the people are friendly. The weather is just so amazing. And St. Vincent and the Grenadines, like, one of the things I love the most about it is like the view. Like, anywhere you go in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, there's a view. Like, there's an ocean view. Like, you come out on your balcony, there's a view from almost anywhere your place. You're seeing a nice ocean or mountain view. It is just like a beautiful tranquility. Like, you just feel like the entire island is like you're in this garden on top of a mountain, and this panoramic view of the Caribbean Sea. You're just seeing all of the Caribbean Sea, and that is what I love the most about St. Vincent, the view. So this week I'm going to be sharing the top 5 things that I enjoy doing in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And as I said, for my Vincy people, please celebrate with me this week and send your video to my Instagram. The Instagram is going to be linked to the channel, and list the things that you love the most about the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And just imagine that there are strangers, there are people that have never heard about St. Vincent before. They're in the UK, in Canada, in America, and you want them to visit your beautiful island. What are the places that the must-see places, and the thing that they have to do before they leave St. Vincent and the Grenadines? The one thing that they have to try before they leave. So just, as I said, the link is going to be right on the screen. Just make a video, and then we will select 5 or 6 of those videos this week in our week-long celebration of St. Vincent and the Grenadines independence. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.